Hello and welcome. For whatever reason, if you ever want to close your eBay account, here's how you can do it. Once you're logged in to your eBay account, at the top, you can see help and contact. You need to select it. Now, in the search bar, you can type in close account and choose closing your account in the suggestions. In this text, eBay is telling you what deleting account or closing account means and what are the things you need to settle before you can delete. Alright, and it is also saying that within 24 hours of receiving our request to close our account, they will send the update of the status of the deletion request to the registered email of ours. And it also says that eBay deletes our data except the few that it needs to retain to comply with eBay financial and legal retention obligations and for other purposes mentioned in here. And finally, one thing to note that data deletion of ours or account deletion of ours may take from 14 days to 60 days, and within that time frame, if you need to reopen your account in case you change your mind, you can go to this page where we have contact us and tell them about the cancellation of our deletion request. And once it has deleted all the data that it has acknowledged to delete, it will again send an email to the registered email address of ours. Now, if you want to proceed, you can just click on this close account button, and if you follow the prompts, you will have an account deleted, or better say, your account will be on the path to deletion. Now you know how to close your account of eBay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.